Hey there, snack lovers! Are you ready to fuel up with a powerhouse snack that will keep you energized all day long? Introducing our sensational energy boosting snack recipe. Ingredients: pumpkin seeds, almonds, walnuts, dried apricots, dried figs, dried prunes, pure honey benefits, energy galore. This snack is packed with nutritious ingredients like pumpkin seeds, almonds, and walnuts, providing you with a sustained source of energy to power through your day. Nutrient-rich. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds are loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and well-being. Fiber-filled. Dried fruits like apricots, figs, and prunes are rich in fiber, promoting digestive health and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Simply mix these ingredients together and enjoy 1 tablespoon of this awesome snack each day for a full day of energy. Don't forget to hit that follow button for more delicious recipes to keep you energized and satisfied. Let's snack smarter and live healthier together.
Hey there, breakfast enthusiasts! Get ready to kickstart your day with our simple yet supercharged breakfast recipe that's bursting with proteins and vitamins. Ingredients: 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of milk, 1 banana, sliced, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of butternut, 1 tablespoon of chopped chocolate, 1 tablespoon of dried or fresh blueberries, 1 tablespoon of chopped almonds, 1 tablespoon of pomegranate, honey optional. Simply mix together the oats and milk in a bowl, then add in the sliced banana, yogurt, butternut, chopped chocolate, blueberries, almonds, and pomegranate. Give it all a good stir, and your delicious breakfast is ready to enjoy. For an extra touch of sweetness, drizzle with honey if desired. Don't forget to hit that follow button for more fresh and easy recipes to make your mornings brighter. Let's make breakfast the best meal of the day.
Discover the incredible advantages that grapes bring to your health. Antioxidants. Grapes are packed with antioxidants like resveratrol, shielding you from chronic illnesses and promoting heart health. Skin health. Grapes' antioxidants combat free radicals, keeping your skin youthful and radiant. Digestive health. Grapes' fiber aids digestion and prevents constipation for a happy tummy. Hydration. With their high water content, grapes keep you hydrated and refreshed. Immune support. Vitamin C in grapes boosts your immune system, keeping you strong. Eye health. Grapes contain lutein and zeaxanthin, essential for maintaining good eyesight. Brain health. Resveratrol in grapes supports cognitive function, keeping your mind sharp. Weight management. Low in calories, grapes make for a guilt-free snack, aiding in weight control. Blood sugar control. Compounds in grapes help regulate blood sugar levels, crucial for overall well-being. Anti-inflammatory. Grapes possess anti-inflammatory properties, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Incorporate grapes into your diet for these fantastic benefits. Don't forget to like and share this video to spread the goodness. Stay healthy and happy.
The power of ginger and lemon for weight loss. Looking to shed some extra belly fat? Try incorporating ginger and lemon into your daily routine. This dynamic duo is not only delicious, but can also help kickstart your weight loss journey. Ginger has natural properties that can boost your metabolism and aid in digestion, while lemon is packed with vitamin C, which supports fat burning. Together, they create a refreshing detox drink that can help you trim down and achieve your weight loss goals. So say goodbye to stubborn belly fat and hello to a slimmer, healthier you with this simple and effective fat cutter drink. Onions, often overlooked in the kitchen, hold remarkable health benefits that might surprise you. These versatile vegetables are not just for adding flavor to your favorite dishes. They can also work wonders for your well-being. Rich in essential nutrients like vitamins C and B6, onions boost your immune system and support healthy skin and hair. They also contain antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Onions are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate pain and reduce inflammation in the body. Whether you prefer them raw, cooked, or caramelized, incorporating onions into your diet can have a profound impact on your health. So, next time you're cooking, don't forget to add a generous serving of onions to your meal and reap the benefits of this underrated vegetable.